Hi guys, welcome to the channel. As you can see, we are in front of Mini dealership in Zagreb, and that means one thing. I'm picking up my brand new car, my brand new Mini, and let's see how it looks. Okay guys, so I've signed the papers that I needed to sign and I got the keys. So here are the keys. Of course I got two of them. They look very cool, and it's time to unlock the car. Here you lock it, and this is for unlock. As you can see, this is the brand new 2019 model with this special LED lights at the front, daytime running LEDs, the normal LEDs, and also the indicators are in LED shape, and the technology of course. Then if we move on to the side, you will notice that the car has 17-inch black wheels. It has the black roof, just how I want it. So I actually, wanted the same spec as this, and they had it available immediately. So that's a big plus. Also, I will show you at the back. Probably one of the coolest things about this car are the taillights, the Union Jack taillights. So let me just show you. So when I unlock the car, just look at this. Union Jack taillights, they look so cool, especially during the night. I wanted to buy actually a Mini for a long time, and now it finally, the dream came true. So let me just show you also the interior, which is probably one of the highlights of the car, because I mean, just look at this. So you have the sport seats, you have the Mini Yours special steering wheel. As you can see, here is where you start the car. I just need to have the key in my pocket, and I will now start it, and it comes to life. Here is the speedometer, rev counter, fuel gauge. Then this screen is the best thing about this car, really. Look at this bunch of stuff here. I will not show everything now because there will be plenty of time, and I also want to study this so I can show you and know everything in advance. So basically there will be a lot of videos with this car, believe me, and I'm so happy that I got it. Looks awesome, really. And yeah, well, I think that's about it for now. So as you can see, you have the LEDs. Those are the daytime running, and these are the regular LEDs. Also, this facelifted model has the new sign. The Mini logo is also new. It's also got the chrome package, so a bunch of chrome there and there. I mean, it really looks awesome. And well, yeah, that was it pretty much. The first look at my new car. I hope you will love the videos that are coming with it. Stay tuned, of course, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more with this car. Tell me in the comments what you think about the car, what you think about the spec of the car, and would you maybe do something to the car? Would you do some modifications? Tell me in the comments, and I'll write you back and tell you what I think about it. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Okay guys, one more thing before we end the video. Let's just get out of the dealership, and as you can see, the car comes to life. This is the main screen, and let's roll on. feels so good to drive it. I have to be honest with you, already drove it, so this is the second time we leave the dealership. And well, yeah, that's it. Stay tuned and do subscribe, as I already said, to the channel so that you can see more action with the Mini. And on that note, goodbye and enjoy. See you. Bye bye.